Hello, my name is Robert Pruitt. I'm an ex-Twitch, ex-Amazon software engineer. And today I'm talking to you why it's super important to pick the right template for your SaaS product. So if you don't know, I'm building DonorSync. And what I've realized in building this product is that I hit a wall yesterday because I was trying to move components about React into Svelte. And I thought with AI, it would be really simple, right? I saw these components online and I wanted it in my project. And I didn't really understand how important it is to understand the component libraries of the framework that you were choosing. And so AI is not a be-all end-all solution today in 2025. AI is not capable of telling you that you're going down the wrong path, that the way that you're doing things is going to take you a month. It is not sentient enough to nudge you in the right direction all the time, right? It's very obedient. And when you ask it to do something, it will tell you, sometimes it will, I have seen with Claude that it will nudge you on the right direction. What I realized that I could not do it the right way, I became frustrated with AI. And it's like, I think most people think it's this end-all be-all tool, but it's not. And so another thing that I want to say is that it is capable of helping you with research, but it is not going to tell you that there was another way. For example, I wanted this component library, which was shadcn, and I was looking at the React-based repository, and I told ChatGPT, I was like, hey, I'm looking for this repository. Can I copy it into React? Can I copy it into my Svelte project? And it was a React project. And it said, no, you need to look for XYZ. You need to look for Svelte libraries. But it never told me that there is a Svelte version of shadcn. It was something that I investigated when I did Google search. And so it's just another point for you guys to understand that you need to be doing your own research with the chat or with these models if you want to be able to build a product up from the ground up. And so I have found my own templates that I feel like would be good for you guys. And I'm going to share them on my screen just so you get a picture. So here's an example of a SaaS template. If you're using, I would recommend something like Tailwind because it is a tool it gives you a lot of customization around your CSS. If you look here, when you preview some of these, you can look at it. Think about how much work you can be saved if I was building DonorSync and I had this template. And so you see some templates are used specifically for, you have to pay for them. And they give you the libraries that it is compatible with, that they've already set aside for you. AI is not capable of if you are working in a Svelte project, right? Then you are not capable of using something like making this template for Svelte. Obviously, with the HTML, you can copy things a lot faster, but it is not perfect, right? I've seen templates that go as far as to set up Stripe and set up Superbase for you. I think the template that I'm using currently right now is going to do that. And there also exist free templates. So let me see let's look. So I know this template is free because this was the one I was trying to work on yesterday, right? There are free templates for you if you're building a SaaS or a startup from the ground up. You can just come in here and replace it with whatever you have. But yeah, if it's built in React, you have to have a stack that's already in React and not try to rerun it. And so you might want to look for SaaS templates that only work with HTML. Or let me see, there's one more, and I'll place these links inside of it. So yeah, they have dark mode already there. And let's see, I want to go see, they're asking me for $70. And for you guys, if you want to just get started and you have deadlines, Svelte is buying a template might be worth your time. And see, they even have Laravel Vue. And you want to be looking for templates like, let's say you're building a backend with Superbase. There are Superbase templates with Stripe already pre-configured. And they give you the ability to hit the ground running when you are working on a project. And so, yeah, they even have like templates if you want just to have documentation, right? Whatever you need. So spend some time looking at the templates before you try to make a project. It'll make sure that you don't have to spend time setting things up like me. So yeah, in my conclusion for indie hackers, I would, if you are trying to make a app that is going to make you $5,000 a month and you don't want to worry about the framework, pick a mainstream language like React or Vue. I think for the long-term success of DonorSync, I'm really excited about making something that's fast and has a view. But let me know in the comments section, what is your go-to framework as an indie hacker for building something fast? And hopefully I can let you guys see the end result of DonorSync with the widgets that I'm about to create, of it being in Svelte. Hopefully it'll work out for me, but I guess I will end the video there.